Hey guys, what's up? We're not cooking today, you know, because it's just not what I felt like doing. Anyway, so I am outside because, you know, it's sunny and stuff. So if the wind is crapping with audio, sorry about that. And if cars are driving by or cows are mooing or whatever, sorry. Anyway, so I've got a beard and I'm just going to show you how I trim it. And I've just got an electric trimmer here, and what I do, I set mine on 12. I think these are millimeters, but I'm American, so I'm not exactly sure what that is. But the first thing I do is just trim my mustache up. I usually go about every 2 months or so before I trim it, and I've let this go a couple extra weeks just so it's a little dramatic. But anyway. Anyway, so yeah, mustache, super easy. And like I said, I do that going up with it so it falls in there that way. And I feel like most people would shave their beard that way also, but I like a long beard, so I'm going to show you what I do. So I got a brush, and I'm going to brush everything out and get it nice and fluffy. And then again, still set on 12. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go down all the way around my beard, and then I'll show you what I do below my chin line after that. Okay, so what that does is you keep, you know, your thickness and everything, but it keeps all the little crazy hairs that are going like this out, and that's what I'm after. And then from my chin down, I use the same size guard, you know, still just on that number 12, and I just kind of start here and just angle down like towards my Adam's apple, I guess, if my Adam's apple went all the way across my neck, just kind of angle down, and that's just going to clip these kind of dead, crazy ends off. Again, you know, just kind of keep it contained, but you're not really losing any length. Alright, and then I'm just going to brush everything down, kind of see where everything is now. Get out some of that loose hair too. Yeah, and I may have a little bit of stuff to trim up and even up here on the bottoms, but yeah, for the most part, that's pretty much it, you know, and I didn't lose maybe, you know, a quarter inch or so, just trimmed off all the ends, and I lost a whole lot of volume out this way. So it's just a nice, clean, long beard. That's just how it is. Thanks for watching.